As already I have shown you before the brief about the businesses listed and the shops and services. Now I will give you the complete detail about how one seller can list his business under various category. So I'll click on this bar. We'll go to service by category. You can see there's two types, services and classified. Under services there are various categories. As you can see, ES rupees, AC service, salon at home, home cleaning and many more. So one seller can add his business under whichever category it comes. We'll go to the classified, can add businesses under classified. As a customer, whatever product or business you want to see, you can go under these categories and can visit the business. As you can see here, one business which have been listed. Now I will show how to add business under this category. So we'll go to add business. I'll select any image related to my business. I'll add name, SM Tutor, address, some description, also contact number. This is just an example. I'll click this category. It's under classified. I will select category educations, select subcategory which is tutor or a coaching class. You can select multiple, it's like depend on the businessman or seller. Click on add business. It's asking for entering correct number, so let's check that number is correct. So you have to add your correct number, contact number. Click on add business. So you can see your business added successfully. Now let's go to that category and see whether our business have been added. Service by category. Glow. It's in classified. Go to education. As you can see, my business SM Tutor have been added. I'll click on this. You can see. Also, one customer can do payment from here also. After completion of payment, can add reviews, which I will show you later.